Hey everyone, Courtney here with Southern Owls, and we're doing another TMI Gifts collab. So the cool thing about this collab, it's going to be over on my YouTube channel. So make sure that you subscribe and like to my YouTube, Southern Owls, over there. And we're going to drop this video Sunday, February 18th at 6 a.m. Central Standard Time. The cool thing about it being on YouTube is you can go back and rewatch it and design with me. So let's show all the cute supplies. Beware of dog kisses. Look how fun this is. We're going to be using our 10-inch deco mesh, some 1.5-inch ribbon, some 2.5-inch ribbon, of course a evergreen base, and look how stinking cute these guys are. So we're going to be using all of these items over on my YouTube channel, so make sure that you're following along. Go snag some goodies, and you can design it with me. So go shop at tmigifts.com. Don't forget to use my code OWL20, OWL20 at checkout, and you'll receive 20% off your entire order. Bye everyone. I'll see y'all Sunday.